Take a ride in the 2022 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary engine cooler, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.